Namaskar to everyone. In previous class we have already discussed question number 1 to 7. In this class we will discuss question number 8 to 12. So students, let's start. Your eighth question is subtract the following decimal. Like in first we have to subtract, and in ninth question sum of. First we do the summation of two numbers, then we subtract it with the summation of other two numbers. Okay, in 10th question we have to simplify, and 11th is the same. And in the 12, what should be added to, means to which number is added to 55.977 to get, means to the result will be 73.405. okay, your first is 421.632 minus 89.428. okay, for subtraction first we like arrange it in vertical order. okay, then we subtract. okay, by default we assume here 0 is here. okay, and here 12 minus 8 4. okay, 0 2 2 3 3. So this is your answer. Question number 9, sum of 98.34 and 18.16 is 4 plus 6. Like if we arrange it in vertical order, then it will be like, okay, this is, and sum of another two numbers like 56. In question it is given 45.236. then addition of these numbers like 56.93 and 45.236. okay, so here the value becomes this one. So according to question, subtract this value like, okay, then the value becomes three. Okay, so answer is 14.34. okay, like we can also write here 14.33. in question number 10, simplify like the following. First we arrange this like addition sign is here, like plus sign is here, this is positive, this is also positive, and these are negative. So arrange this according to like, okay, and this is negative, this is also negative. Then we do separate addition for that these numbers. okay, first we do addition of these number. okay, then we do this, so it becomes okay, so value becomes, this is your answer. okay, in question number 12, what should be added to 55.977? So assume the number is x. Okay, so x is added to 55.977, it becomes 73.405. okay, answer is this. So for that, for finding the value of x, first shift is, if we shift LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, sign changes. Okay, so its sign changes to, it is positive sign, then it becomes negative sign, because we changing the position. Okay, we shifting this to right hand side. Okay, so its sign changes. So if we subtract this value from this, then it becomes, okay, so what will be the value? Okay, then 15 minus like 7, this is your answer. So this is your 2.4 exercise. In next lecture we will discuss 2.5 exercise. Till then, bye bye.